Hi investors, it's Bernice Retzloff with turnkeyinvest.com. I help investors just like yourself buy and sell great real estate right here in Memphis, Tennessee, just like this property behind me. Today we are at 4969 Biscoe Avenue in Memphis, Tennessee in the 38122. This is in the Berclair neighborhood. This is an A-class property that we recently did a full renovation on. It is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home. Let's go take a look. Like I stated before, this property underwent a full renovation, new roof. We have a 2-car drive leading up to the right side of the home here. This property is in the school district of Berclair Elementary, which is 4 minutes away, Treadwell Middle School, which is 9 minutes away, and Kingsbury High School, which is 8 minutes away. I love these wood shutters. I think they're super cute. Let's take a look inside. Thank you so much for tuning into our most recent video. If you like seeing these home tours of Memphis and the greater areas, we would greatly appreciate it if you liked and shared this video. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Now, back to our scheduled programming. Upon entry, we are with the living room. Now keep in mind, we do have a few punch list items that we are finishing up on this renovation. Just a few small things, like a clean, and then some outlet covers. For this space, your residents could use it as a living area, and then possibly this area here as a dining room, as it is off the kitchen. Built-in bookcase. New flooring throughout. Here we have a closet off of the dining room, wood shelving up top, that new hard surface flooring in the bottom. Let's take a look at the kitchen. New countertops and cabinets in the kitchen. We have a stainless steel sink. Now I will show you the first 2 bedrooms, but first let's talk about the numbers on this property. So let's talk numbers. With a purchase price of $196,900 and a target monthly rent of $1,750 a month, we're looking at a cap rate of 7.76% and a COC, a cash on cash return of 6.53%. Your total cash needed to close would be $55,725, making your monthly cash flow $303.38. Let's go take a look at the bedrooms. Continuing our tour, let's go ahead and take a left and another left. And we are greeted with our first bedroom here, not the main bedroom, but our first bedroom on the tour. We will call this bedroom number 4. We could fit a full bed and a dresser in here. Here we have the closet for bedroom number 4. That hard surface flooring flows in to the bottom, and we have wood shelving up top. Across the hall, we have bedroom number 3. Bedroom number 3 could also fit a full bed and a dresser. Closet for bedroom number 3, hard surface flooring in the bottom, lots of wood shelving up top, perfect for storage. Here we have the shared bathroom for bedrooms 2, 3, and 4. 1 sink vanity, new vanity. New toilet. Tub and shower. We have tile surround. This tile really brings a modern look to this bathroom here. Behind this door, we have the linen closet. Hard surface flooring in the bottom. Lots of wood shelving up top for towels and storage. At the end of this hall, we have the water heater. Continuing back through the kitchen, Here we have the utility room. Washer hookup to the left here. To the right, we have dryer hookup. Here we have bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 2 could also fit a full bed and a dresser. New paint throughout this entire home. Here we have the closet for bedroom number 2, hard surface flooring in the bottom, wood shelving, and a rod for your residents to hang their clothes. And here we have the master bedroom. It's a very spacious master bedroom. It also has access to the backyard. This home also has new light fixtures throughout. Now, this area was an addition. It was here when we bought it, we just updated it. This window here will be covered up. That is also on our punch list. Oh, my apologies. This could fit a king bed and a dresser with room to spare. Here we have the bathroom for the master bedroom. Stand-up shower, tile surround. New toilet. We have a 1-sink vanity. New cabinet and counters. Here is the closet for the master. Wire rack shelving and hard surface flooring in the bottom. It is a spacious closet. Let's go take a look outside. Now this property is 4 minutes away from Avon Park, 5 minutes away from Gainesman Park, and 11 minutes away from Shelby Farms. This home does have a fenced-in backyard, and it is located near major transportation routes, which are all less than 5 minutes away from this property, like Sam Cooper Boulevard, I-40 and I-240, and Summer Avenue. Spacious fenced-in backyard. Very pretty. There was a pool there before, so there's sand now to fill that in. We have an additional patio right here. Perfect for a couple of chairs, so your tenants can enjoy the fresh air and their space at their new home. Thank you so much for going on this lovely tour with me. Like I said before, this is in an A-class neighborhood in the 38122 in the Berclair neighborhood. This is a great area. The numbers work. It is freshly renovated. If you have interest in this property, need help building your portfolio, or just have general questions about investing in Memphis and the greater areas, please feel free to reach out to me and my team at turnkeyinvest.com. We would love to hear from you. Bye.